Welcome to our interior design tutorial on how to decorate your bedding with duvets and down comforters. Today, we'll explore the various components and techniques to elevate your bedroom decor. Let's start with the foundation of any comfortable bed, the duvet insert. This is the core component that provides warmth and coziness. You can choose between down feathers, goose down, duck down, or a synthetic down alternative based on your preference and budget. Once you have your insert selected, it's time to dress it up with a duvet cover. This outer layer not only protects your duvet but also adds style to your bed. Consider the thread count and the design of the cover to ensure both comfort and aesthetics. Now, let's talk about the comforter cover. Similar to the duvet cover, it adds an extra layer of protection and style to your bedding ensemble. Look for features like quilting stitches, piping, or binding for added elegance. One important feature to consider is the baffle box construction. This design prevents the inner filling from shifting around, ensuring an even distribution of warmth throughout the comforter. If you're concerned about allergies, opt for hypoallergenic materials for both the outer fabric shell and inner filling. These materials are designed to repel allergens, providing a healthier sleeping environment. Another aspect to look out for is the box stitch design. This technique creates a visually appealing pattern on your comforter while also securing the inner filling in place. Lastly, consider features like gusseted edges and double-stitched seams for durability and longevity. These details ensure that your bedding remains intact even after multiple washes. Incorporating breathable fabrics into your bedding ensemble promotes airflow and helps regulate body temperature for a comfortable night's sleep. And there you have it. By carefully selecting and combining these components, you can create a luxurious and inviting bedroom retreat. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found these tips helpful in decorating your bedding with duvets and down comforters. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit revamp.com.